Good afternoon, everybody. Brandon Gustafson here, founder and CEO of Badger PMD, and I am very excited to introduce to you another tool, a new tool that is going to make your life as a home builder so much easier. So, inevitably, when you meet with a new customer on site to discuss where they are going to place their new home, you have to start having the conversation of what's going to have to be done in order to get that site ready for that new home. And one of the things that has to be done is cutting and filling the dirt in order to get the pad that you need in order to start construction. And a lot of times in the past, that has just been a wild guessing game. You'll go in, look at it, and based on past experience, say, well, I'm looking at maybe 15 loads of dirt, 20 loads of dirt, whatever the case may be. And then, if the dirt compacts a little bit heavier than what was expected, or if there's some unforeseen issues that arise, then you can very easily be off on your on your estimating of materials there. So what we have built into our estimating feature now is a site analysis that uses USGS terrain data so that you can pinpoint the area where your building pad is going to go, and Badger will run an analysis on that area, and it will tell you approximately how much dirt you're going to need for that area. So I'm going to show you an example of that right now, and we're going to dive in and see how awesome this feature is. So we're going to hit from our I'll kind of fast forward it to step 2 here, but we're going to from this site analysis hit run site analysis. And you can put in an address. What I like to do though is go to latitude, longitude, because when you do that, you can go down to Google Maps and it will automatically open this Google Maps. So let's say that we're going to go to, I'm just going to type in 1230 Monteith Avenue, and this is Gustafson Properties. Um, Office. We'll use this lot next door, and I know we'll actually go a little bit in between this lot because I know that we have a little bit of a drop right here anyway, so we're going to go between these two lots. But I'm going to double click right here, and I got some coordinates. So this is 34 820 38. So we're going to type in 34.820. What was that? 38 38. And then right here, we're going to put in a negative 90, I'm sorry, 89, 96869. So 89, 96869. So this is the area that we clicked, and this is that's going to be the center of your building pad. Okay, so we're going to say about what size is that building pad going to be. We'll just say that it's going to be about 3,000 square feet. Okay, and you can use different grid sizes here. Basically, this is kind of the number of points that it's going to analyze within that 3,000 square foot square area that it's reading. We're going to do 5 by 5 just to make it quick and easy. And then on the target grade elevation, if you know your elevation above sea level, you can put this in here, and you can get a really good analysis on how much fill or cut you're going to have by going off of a specific elevation above sea level. Now, if you're just going to do auto, then what it's going to probably do is just see if you have the dirt within that area that it's analyzing in order to use just to get you a flat surface. So we're going to start with auto. We'll hit analyze site, and you'll see that it's going to run through these sampling elevations. It'll take us just a second. All right, guys. So you can see where we clicked at. This is the exact coordinates of the area that we're going to build the building pad. This is the size of the building pad that we're going to build. And you can see this neat little diagram on the right side that shows in what areas you're going to need to do cuts, what areas you're going to need to do fills. You'll be able to look and see your minimum and maximum elevations, your approximate number of truckloads that will have to come in, and the approximate cost of the site prep in that area. You even have some AI recommendations down below here that will show you some potential issues that may be on site that you need to be aware of. It even ranks them from high to low, and then provides you a couple of next steps. This just helps you as a builder to make sure that you're not forgetting anything, and keeping all your ducks in a row as you proceed through this estimating process. Now, before I mean, this is cool enough as it is, but before we let in the video, I want to show you one other thing. We have a max elevation here of 368.3. Okay, so let's say now that we know our elevation above sea level, we're not just trying to level out the grade there using the dirt on site, but let's say that we want to bring everything up to that elevation. So we're going to type in where it says auto, we'll say 368.3. And this is going to make sure that we bring in the dirt we need to raise everything up, instead of potentially having a low-lying pad that could cause some water issues. So again, we're going to analyze it. All right. So now we did the same thing, but if you go down, you'll see that this number has changed a little bit. This is showing the number of loads of dirt that you'd have to bring in, the approximate cost, the estimated cut and fill, everything that well, and you'll see here, because we went with the highest elevation, we don't have any cutting anymore. We're just going to fill, and then again, you see all of your AI recommendations here as well. From there, you can return to your AI estimate, and it will continue to walk you through the estimating process, where you'll be able to enter a template that already has AI prompts in it, and really speed up the entire estimating process. So some really neat features here on Badger, features that help you as a builder to give more accurate and quicker estimating to your clients. And yeah, we're super stoked about this this site prep tool for builders to use on their projects. So if you are interested in Badger, then again, reach out to us. Our website is www.badgerpmd.com. I love the opportunity to jump on a phone call with you, schedule a demo, give you a look inside the whole program, and show you what all Badger can do to make your life easier. So reach out to me today, and looking forward to speaking with you guys. Thank you.